I usually give with them a missed call after taking their number. Sometimes I forget to save it, but later I can simply open Truecaller, check my call history, and instantly find the number. Hi everyone, I'm Sithiq, a software engineer and content creator. I've been using Truecaller for more than 10 years, ever since my lovable Lumia days. And honestly, every time I switch to a new device, the first app I install is always a Truecaller. Truecaller truly makes my day-to-day life easier. It automatically blocks spam calls, saving me time and helping me stay focused, especially during meetings or personal gatherings when I can't afford interruptions. And the best part is I can always review my call history to see who tried to reach me. That's a small but meaningful way Truecaller helps me. Whenever I meet my old friends or new content creators, I usually give with them a missed call after taking their number. Sometimes I forget to save it, but later I can simply open Truecaller, check my call history, and instantly find their number. I think everyone should use Truecaller because it's community-driven. When we flag spam numbers, we protect not just ourselves, but also others in the community. Together, we can really make spam calls a thing of the past. My favorite feature has to be backup. As someone who switches devices frequently, like my current Nothing Phone 3, being able to back up and restore my call history with just a few taps makes the experience seamless. Truecaller has been part of my digital life for over a decade, and I honestly can't imagine using a phone without it. Let's fight spam together, keep our communication smarter with Truecaller.